Years ago, I created an initiative called the Milken Educator Awards to say in a very public way that greatness in education should be recognized too. And that brings me to the exciting news of this morning, is that I've come here to present a Milken Educator Award to a teacher who is characterized by compassion, commitment, and dedication, a teacher representative of the many, many fine teachers in this district and in this state. The Milken Educator Award goes to Ryan James.
Thank you for recognizing, I'll say this, the greatest teacher in the entire United States of America right here, and Ron. He teaches at the greatest school in the entire Commonwealth of Virginia, right here at old Lucille Brown School. Am I not right?
Wish my grandfather could see this moment, because when I look at a male mentor figure, there was no one. He was it. And I just want to take every lesson that he taught me and give it to all my students, my colleagues, especially in my 8th grade team. Y'all know y'all hold me down more than anything, and I really appreciate y'all. Miss Scott, you are my big sister, and I appreciate you. To my mother, who put this idea in my head to be a teacher when I was 13, 8th grade, I love you, I appreciate you, and thank you so much.
What we want to do is highlight folks who are doing outstanding works on behalf of children, and we don't get to do that very often. So the opportunity to highlight a teacher, to represent lots of teachers, is a dynamic moment for everybody, and I think we're all excited at seeing teachers lifted up.
My name is Laura Lay, Milken Educator from 2005, and I am so thrilled to welcome my student from 9th grade world history into this family of Milken Educators.